Ebushama yoma akwaba enfa mbra Ghana Sem TV GH mesra like, comment, subscribing, then notification so on so that anytime you post a video bit say we are Usambekabi. Ebusham say udi wasem ina manya kupon ono a nebe kunkun ekunama ono a and then mitina se na me hu because social media so na me hu reactions from some of the media persons are almost sorry the tia Akufo-Addo aban e kan sem about Akufo-Addo aban. It's just funny and it's just amazing. And it's just amazing because when you go back and you go and play air tapes from Vim Lady, Nanaya Brefo, Jack Kwabna, and some of the ladies that were at Peace FM Honuma Minkayo Mudino, you would feel said there was like a devil leading the nation. To demonize Akufo-Addo. Yeah. But you see, just within 1 year, 6 months, 18 months, Akufo-Addo has been vindicated. Yeah. He has been vindicated. And then Vim Lady net, now sorry, we hear ni a recorded video, edit your tribunals, edit your arrest of you can say TikTokers. Vim Lady. Hey, time changes. Time changes. I know Vim Lady them say with the kind of government that is in power, I say more can you know or Ghana you know. Yeah. That is why today Vim Lady is talking. And she's in pain. Because in her video, you will clearly hear say she's telling NDC first yeah, that's what I mean. I'll play the tape for you to listen to. Akufo-Addo nyakupon kwayebi. Ba NDC for the munkoso aye ni ompe. No problem. Yeah. The day of reckoning, ebeba. The day of accountability, ebeba. The day of payback, ebeba. The day I yesu ebeba. Now I'm making your own appointment. You lie.
The point I'm making in Ayɛka say, any double standards that NDC for display no. Because NDC here na komun kabia. Obi any problem. NDC here na mungu obi any masida. Mungu obi hu finda. Mon kasentia obi and NDC ko jeli sister ya. No problem. And then no problem all because you were the entire President Kufuor by 2001. Ghana for nyina here back was a criminal libel yen figure. There must and you see there's I didn't follow history. History ne follows a mumu bebre mo yankola but yen nyina kwani ye beto kakra. Say yewra kwaku ba akone Harunata, the editor of Accra Mail. Any year Malik Kokubako, Alaji Malik Kokubako. They were jailed before under Rawlings for publishing things. They said this is the Yako Kaseya. Again, Kokubako the other side to say where the AB. Obin the control and there were newspaper move London. And a Kokubako, anyhow Natako repeat publication, you know, say ya trow London naman Kasadia, and ya so ba trow Habi, or more trow Ghana no, any jail Kokubako, anyhow Nata. Go and read the story. They were jailed for 30 days. They were jailed. And President Kufuor, it was a key campaign issue, say. Rawlings the time and jailing for him. Of course, President Rawlings came from revolution. I think under Rawlings, even between 92 and the 96, the only people who could talk were students. And Ghana, one to me students. We have suffered under 20 years of Rawlings. I know Biankasa. Okasapeni abecho. Okasani acho. Yedo kwa obi kangaroo court no and attorney general so okofebia by in the tribunals. We had the tribunals under Rawlings. You knew what some young boots are Ukraine doko. Yeah, ma lawyer mpo. Those were the days of the tribunals, kangaroo court. No? That's why you move this meeting. You better the white tribunal, no cry you better. If you need to expand the court. But Sulia majority for minority are working out. Jews for Krasamon yet tribunals, or my fetcher could pass it on. More than pass it. Mon pass it on. Messi, we are saying, I was saying, Ghana, you'll be a better way. Mo de mo pass law no. E be he de be kwa kosi. Mo pass LGBT law na go saying. Enti mo de mo tan na mo nya de mpe. Enti yen go back to Rawlings as I say back in the day under Rawlings no be to me kasa. Student Ghana Union of Ghana National Students looks omo pe and I know mutu me kasa. Enti Legon 40 radio station time you lifted ban on private radio station. It was like jubilation. Tarzan Rekubro be ya no koye radio station be friend Radio I. And on close you say still like a ban. You see, even the luxury of having radio station to the point that TikTok as example, Ebenya quite to talk. We Ghana had to fight. People had to fight Rawlings to get that kind of freedom. And we NDC, we NDC foot soldier. The last thing you want is a what buying. Ube jeli will be for free speech because yes, now the Nkrofo and the Yama President Mahama because he's allowing people to tarnish on one casa legacy. No, so baby, President Mahama. So second coming here, you say a legacy term. And I will ban say now by the end of President Mahama. O second term now will ban him say President Mahama Babe Jimmy Ding or by you being a bidder. Now what Jimmy Ding legacy leader. You have an opportunity that nobody leaders around the world will die before they have such an opportunity. What power will lose what samba. It is a very rare opportunity and yet easy son of Sabeka. Into your President Mahama, no when you are such a legacy position, say now also Beman Crawford the idea grow by jailing TikTokers and then Ghana and BBC niyanam Ghana jails TikToker for insulting the president. BBC Ghana Al Jazeera Ghana yenim guasi na wana akodu. So what we NDC I will justify idea we no. Look at the Nimguasi and net President Mahama Dean because Ope Wumpo. Idea we jailing the plan that President Mahama government is attached to him. And I would do that BBC. Not because Ghana invented BBO. Not because Ghana economy is stable. Not because the Ghana to stabilize you. Not because Ghana have a fat necessary. And no need BBC. What jailing TikToker and the BBC. And we NDC now will justify and say who way. Now for some of the other comment section be dear tema. Oh yeah. Who did you want them? You people all don't like President Mahama because President Mahama, you will never tell him say jailing a TikToker under his government. Hey, a good record. A quite brochure for her. And democracy in Ghana village. South Africa for the xenophobia. And then I'm dimponi across the world. And almost free visa you have already tarnished your image in the international community. And what Ghana do? You're tarnishing your image in the international community. You're going money massive. Say Omaya. The tenet of your democracy, Liberia for Behe, Sierra Leone for Behe, Nigeria for Behe, Nigeria for the Ghana Kasem, Behe, the Ghana there. Everybody go free talk and Ghana and the TikTokers. Because more the kitchen bloggers in Kophobia Chinti. More decided somebody in Kofochi for more kitchen blogger attacking TikTokers and more monkasa to jailing them. And I make us say the foundation is nobody is justifying the lady now, you know. So why are there some unfa when you here? I say I would need evidence. What better now? I'm a would when I make sure to Facebook and say, look, the lesson is that me ma obia and I say my politics in push you. And my own coca say my politician chrono crown to me coca. Politician to me coca now coca. But granted, more NDC, including President Mahama and Kasa. One friend and I do achim sakawa mafia, President Mahama. One friend and I do achim sakawa mafia na. And no cre. Nanado ya achim sakawa mafia. Wakoya achim sakawabi, wakoya sakawa, wakoya mafia. And so na President Mahama be jina platform so and in another fra obia so we achim sakawa mafia. President Mahama, I'm speaking to you now directly. His Excellency President Mahama. His Excellency President Mahama. Who ko friend nanado achim sakawa mafia, His Excellency. Obi beche o, obi kan wasem. Because I have political space na mo nyina mo wo. Ye nim say people for to make bitiamo so to make bitiamo. Sami Jemfie press conference no akika dia MPP for and rightfully say that is the name of the game. Mo to make bitiamo. Until we don't elevate at the end of where they are attending, they will catch it when we talk about it. President Kufuor Konyaso, why NDC for one friend who said, you are calling Gizayazi, and then I won't have for. Why you come say President Kufuor to Gizayazi so? Why you come say President Kufuor and Tafo? Besin Gizayazi in Tafo, NDC for cancer, President Kufuor Konyam Gizayazi will be a number. It was not true. Obi.
What's when no? Would this short time now also when no? Also, Bessa, we are MP. No need. Now, your friends saying, in cancer, we do. I agree. No need. Yes, someone can say.
Mebacho, a money do Rosa or Nana.
What they voice, what they afra. Yes, Ramu. Uncophobia on where you are when you see yourself, almost board Dr. Baumia, almost per se Dr. Baumia by a president. May and fa Assembia, as some kid will be night to say Yankasan Cophobia. I say, or more one year I could drobia and answer Sikibia on the board Dr. Baumiano. I say, and do baby.
Oh, Jamie, but based on what some okay, I had a Jeffrey for against this other Dr. Baumia by President Anna.
Oh, me, your friends, agree in Zima, any Okateche FIFA, Ijin, or say, a mummy, one or per se, Dr. Or no, your friends, Dr. Bayer President. Me may agree in Zima.
Red, and your red also no one him near cost underground, and near mass sign, and near no one him. First one I call and they're fine. But last year said this election I call between your money Kennedy no things were going on underground, and then I was who knew what is happening.
Yeah, you wouldn't the relationship between an cancer board in Canada, Japan.
What the only month the guy don't know.
Yeah, maybe what's my okay home. Me, I'm it here. I could see I'm it here. Oh, me to my about Bantima president. Okay. Yene lawyer Rafupuku Japan, any idea in a tape parliament. Bantam or joint to for parliament. Any American course on a wound, and you know me to a meme pecate Jeffrey Fast and Pa. It in us, never I mean, on the voice make a Sabiana and my
voice. The voice. Some common and the moody as one baby Abrano so carefree.
Some is Abba. What is happening? I'm the back at the Jeffrey Fast or the any and an cancer board in a because they must have the catch them say, or no Dr. Baumia come on money baby done where you office without an cancer board Dr. Wameda Bonte. Okay from
hello FM interview there. Sa guy na etikese no me sa kwa me dwa. Wono me won say NPP assemba ana o jam program sa what they say what they be
kumasi no need nim dia meka kumasi ye ni munsem mo pese ye kasa ye beka
Mina message say nana so ayebi
na kai katache free fan ma ye ko opposition na then chairman suppose mu ko gina press parliament say can over that time resign and chairman say why ma Dr. Baumia
woni
me ko opposition mo be say kasa ye beka ya ba ni aye di
me patriote mi o
Osia
yes say
Akosia
empenifo say basa die nikodua haban yetase no banyansam fumu na nan kansa bodu ewo de waye okateche fifa so wo de waye ama party no omunya wo de maye enti BBC no me se eno tira me se mamum ye nye ema ne nkoye se the base fu binya ye aye se woni wo ya ko na wo tanfo waye de epi ho chemu bi se de rinsi
from the beginning okateche fifa okopa sansan kroma deri asemi baaye okofa ambulance de baaye okofa
ana meka se obia won the party wo be aboa party no but yen bi dey say yen kan hu se nana nkansa board wo de tie ne se meka bia ma no ba yen kan hu se nana nkansa board no menya hwe so wadan na chiama NPP for so da ana okatache free fazo so no won so ye ba opposition won so abaye na dwuma e de aboa
why say me no me problem ne say
me when say be ya hate each other
voice mbacho mama seconds Canada Japan ko tana ho na me na me party financier na me na me top pick up na me na me ye we yes ye no nye ya criticize na chore te si yenyini free party nim any ade de na nan ka support Japan de no any Canada Japan de
me tie me Canada Japan de no de ma ye kan se de wo ye ne nyene se wo attack de ne e ko gina koton
enough eno ye
no na nan ka se bodu me se enne obe attack Dr. Mohammed Baumia me kan bi won ha twa me mfa ne se wo ye won hene me yi sa wo hene no title na fini so aka se de tia ye akere no but se no o me attack doctor
eniema doma hene nse hu na sabie buru na ata akonwa tuntum so memu ye eniema wo ye ya na ye ka ne bi na nan kanza bo adu ye no yan se kire ne yan ka no kire
hello boys meeting akasa kakra
but yan ka